Rivera was one of the Mexico's most prominent and influential artists, known for his large-scale murals and his roles in Mexican muralism movement. His work has left a lasting impact on both Mexican and global art, blending traditional and modern style with political and social messages. Diego Rivera was born on December 8, 1886, in Guanajuato, Mexico. He came from a middle-class family, and his twin brother Carlos died shortly after his birth, which has a profound effect on him. Rivera's early exposures to art came from his mother, who was a teacher and encouraged his interest in drawing. Rivera showed a strong talent for art early on, entering the Academy of San Carlos in Mexico City at the age of 10. He later received a scholarship to study at the Academy of San Carlos, and in 1907 he traveled to Europe for further his education. Rivera moved to Paris in 1909, where he immersed himself in the vibrant art scene. There he was influenced by the post-impressionist and cubist movement. His work was deeply affected by the avant-garde idea of artists like Pablo Picasso, Henri Matisse, and George Braque. Rivera became a central figure in the Mexican muralism movement, along with the fellow artists Jose Clemente Orozco and David Soqueros. This movement sought to make art more accessible to the public, especially the working class, and the often depicted theme of social justice, indigenous heritage, and the struggle of the Mexican people. Rivera mural were monumental and political, aimed at educating the public about the struggles of the working class and the injustice of both colonialism and capitalism. He often painted in public buildings, making his art part of the daily life of the Mexican people. Rivera's personal life was often as dramatic as his art. He married twice to the famous Mexican artist Frida Kahlo, with whom he had a tumultuous relationship. Rivera's political and romantic connection with prominent figures like Leon Trotsky also brought him with significant attention. The North Wall. This artwork was created during the Great Depression in 1932 to 1933, a period of widespread economic hardship in the United States. Rivera was commissioned by Edsel Ford, the president of the Ford Motor Company, to depict the industrial prowess of Detroit and the automotive industry. However, Rivera, a Marxist and staunch critic of capitalism, used his opportunity to create a more complex narrative. He celebrated ingenuity and labor of industrial workers while simultaneously critiquing the exploitation of the humanization of often inherent in large-scale industry. The North Wall focuses on workers and machinery inside the Ford Motor Company's River Rouge plant. Rivera meticulously detailed the assembly line process, depicting workers operating massive machines in a harmonious rhythm. The figures are shown with strength and focus, emphasizing their skills and resilience. The imagery is a mix of technological marvel and human effort, portraying the intricate interconnection between man and machine. Rivera contrasts the workers' physical labor with the looming presence of industrial machinery, underscoring both the productivity and the dehumanizing aspect of industrialization. Rivera's North Wall is rich of symbolism. The workers symbolize the strength and unity of the working class, depicting as the true driving force behind industrial progress. The machines, while impressive, are shown as tools that rely entirely on human labor, reflecting Rivera's belief in the primacy of people over technology. The rhythmic and almost mechanical movement of the workers suggests a loss of individuality, hinting at the dehumanization of labor in a capitalist system. At the same time, Rivera's emphasis on worker strength and focus elevates them, celebrating their role as creators and innovators.
The man controller of the universe was created during Mexican Revolution in 1910 to 1920. Rivera grew up during this period of social change, shaping his Marxist beliefs and revolutionary ideals. Originally commissioned as Man at the Crossroads for Rockefeller Center in New York in 1933, the mural depicted linen sparking controversy. Rivera refused to alter it, and the mural was destroyed. Rivera recreated the mural in Mexico City in 1933, expanding its themes. It shows humanity controlling technology amid social conflict, scientific discovery, and ideological divides. Diego Rivera's The Man Controller of the Universe in 1934 is a powerful mural that explores the conflict between capitalism and socialism, emphasizing the potential of human agency to shape the future. The central figure in the mural is a man depicted as a worker or intellectual controlling a machine or mechanism, symbolizing humanity's power to influence technology and society. Surrounding this figure are scenes representing technological advancements and contrasting visions of the future, one utopian and the other dystopian. The overarching theme of the mural is the ideological struggle between capitalism and socialism. On the capitalism side, Rivera portrays industrial magnates and the wealthy elite, symbolizing exploitation and greed, while the socialist side features workers, scientific progress, and revolutionary figures such as Vladimir Lenin, who embodies hope, unity, and the potential for a just society. The central figure, actively controlling the machinery of society, symbolizes humanity's choice between these two opposing forces. Rivera incorporates significant symbolism to strengthen his message. Lenin portraits represents the influence of socialist ideas in the power of the working class to challenge capitalist oppression. Scientific imagery, such as atoms and machinery, conveys the idea that knowledge and technological progress can serve humanity's collective good rather than the interests of the wealthy.